The joy of gardening is truly something special. It's a unique blend of relaxation and creativity that brings immense satisfaction. It's a rewarding hobby that not only connects you with nature, but also provides a sense of accomplishment as you watch your efforts come to life. You don't need to spend a fortune to create a beautiful garden. With a bit of ingenuity and some budget-friendly tips, you can transform any space into a lush green haven. Imagine stepping outside to a vibrant space where flowers bloom in colorful displays, filling the air with their sweet fragrance, and fresh vegetables are ready for harvest, providing you with homegrown produce that's both delicious and nutritious. All this is possible on a budget. With some planning and creativity, you can design a garden that reflects your style and saves you money. Gardening is for everyone, whether you have a sprawling backyard or a small balcony. Even in urban settings, you can create a green oasis. You can find joy in nurturing plants and watching them flourish. The process of planting, watering, and caring for your garden can be incredibly therapeutic. It's all about making the most of what you have, finding affordable solutions, and using your creativity to repurpose items for garden use. Creating something truly special doesn't have to be expensive. Personalized garden spaces can be achieved with a little imagination and effort. So let's explore how to make your gardening dreams a reality without breaking the bank. From DIY projects to smart shopping tips, we'll guide you through the process. Join a community garden to share resources and knowledge, making gardening even more affordable and enjoyable. Involve your family and friends in your gardening journey. It's a wonderful way to spend quality time together and teach kids about nature and responsibility. Start with the basics. Invest in essential tools, choose the right seeds, and consider composting to enrich your soil naturally. If space is limited, try vertical gardening or container gardening. These methods are perfect for small areas and can be just as rewarding. Keep a garden journal to track your progress, note what works, and plan for future seasons. It's a great way to stay organized and motivated. Ultimately, gardening is about creating a space where you can relax, unwind, and enjoy the beauty of nature. So get started today and discover the joy of gardening on a budget. Designing your dream garden starts with a plan. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a small balcony, a well-thought-out plan is essential to make the most of your space and resources. Before you begin planting, take some time to consider your available space. Measure the dimensions and observe the layout. This will help you understand the potential and limitations of your garden area. How much sunlight does it get? Sunlight is crucial for plant growth, so take note of the areas that receive full sun, partial shade, or full shade throughout the day. What type of soil do you have? Soil quality can vary greatly, and knowing whether you have sandy, clay, or loamy soil will guide your plant selection and any necessary soil amendments. These factors will influence your plant choices. Some plants thrive in specific conditions, so choose varieties that are well suited to your garden's unique environment. Sketch out your ideas on paper. This will help you visualize the final look and ensure you're making the most of your space. Consider the placement of plants, pathways, and any garden features you want to include. Don't be afraid to start small. A modest garden can be just as rewarding and easier to manage, especially for beginners. You can always expand your garden later. As you gain more experience and confidence, you can add new plants and features to enhance your garden. Choose a focal point, like a beautiful tree or a small water feature, and build around it. Remember, simplicity is key. A well-chosen focal point can create a sense of harmony and draw the eye, making your garden feel more cohesive. A well-designed garden doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With careful planning and thoughtful choices, you can create a beautiful and functional garden on any budget. Focus on creating a harmonious space that brings you joy and fits within your budget. Your garden should be a place of relaxation and enjoyment, reflecting your personal style and preferences. Take your time, be patient, and enjoy the process of bringing your garden vision to life. One of the easiest ways to save money is to start your plants from seeds. Seeds are incredibly affordable and offer a wider variety than pre-grown plants. You can start seeds indoors using recycled containers like egg cartons or yogurt cups. Once the seedlings are large enough, transplant them outside. Starting from seeds requires patience, but it's incredibly rewarding. Watching a tiny seed sprout into a thriving plant is magical. Plus, you'll have the satisfaction of knowing you grew it yourself from scratch and saved money in the process. It's a win-win situation. Get creative with your planters. You don't need to buy expensive pots. Repurpose old containers like buckets, barrels, or even old tires. Give them a fresh coat of paint, and they'll add a touch of whimsy to your garden. Building raised garden beds is another great DIY project. Use reclaimed wood or pallets. This can save you money and is a great way to upcycle materials. You can customize the size and shape of your beds to fit your space perfectly. DIY projects add a personal touch to your garden, and they're a fun way to save money. Section 5. Feeding your garden nutrient-rich soil on a dime. In this section, we'll explore how you can create nutrient-rich soil without breaking the bank. Healthy soil is essential for a thriving garden. It provides the necessary nutrients and structure for plants to grow strong and resilient. But it doesn't have to cost a fortune. There are many cost-effective ways to enrich your soil without spending a lot of money. One of the best ways to improve your soil structure is by adding compost. Compost helps retain moisture, improves soil aeration, and provides essential nutrients. Compost is like black gold for gardeners. It's rich in organic matter and beneficial microorganisms that help plants thrive. And the best part? It's free to make. Start a compost bin in your backyard. Add kitchen scraps like vegetable peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells, along with yard waste such as grass clippings and dried leaves. Over time, these materials will decompose into nutrient-rich compost. Be patient, as the process can take several months, but the end result is worth the wait. Another budget-friendly option is to use manure. Manure is an excellent source of nitrogen and other nutrients that plants need. Check with local farms or stables. Many of them are happy to give away manure for free, as it helps them manage waste. They often give away manure for free. Just bring a container or a wheelbarrow to transport it back to your garden. However, it's important to compost manure properly before adding it to your garden. Fresh manure can be too strong and may burn plants, but composted manure is safe and beneficial. By using these natural amendments, you can nourish your plants and reduce the need for expensive chemical fertilizers. Your garden will thrive, and you'll save money in the process. Section 6. Thrifty Thrills, Repurposing for a Sustainable Garden. Embrace the art of repurposing. Look around your home for items you can reuse in your garden. Old pallets can be transformed into vertical gardens or trellises. Empty wine bottles make charming garden borders, and plastic milk jugs can be turned into mini greenhouses. Repurposing not only saves you money, it also reduces waste and adds a unique touch to your garden. Get creative and have fun with it. You'll be amazed at what you can create with a little imagination. Section 7. Water wisely, conserving resources and costs. Watering your garden can get expensive, especially during hot summer months. Conserve water and save money by using a rain barrel. Collect rainwater from your roof and use it to water your plants. This is a natural and sustainable way to keep your garden hydrated. Mulch is another great way to retain moisture in the soil. Use organic materials like wood chips, straw, or shredded leaves. Mulch also helps suppress weeds, which means less time spent weeding. By being mindful of your watering habits and using mulch effectively, you can significantly reduce your water bill. Section 8. Natural defenses, protecting your garden affordably. Pests and diseases can wreak havoc on your garden, but you don't need harsh chemicals to keep them at bay. Encourage beneficial insects, like ladybugs and lacewings. These natural predators will help control pest populations. Companion planting is another effective strategy. Certain plants, when planted together, can deter pests. For example, planting marigolds alongside tomatoes can help repel whiteflies. Research companion planting techniques and create a natural defense system for your garden. Section 9. Seasonal savvy, making the most of every season. Extend your gardening season by starting seeds indoors. Use a sunny windowsill or invest in an inexpensive grow light. This allows you to get a head start on spring planting and enjoy a longer harvest season. In the fall, collect seeds from your favorite flowers and vegetables. Store them in a cool, dry place, and you'll have free seeds to start next spring. By adapting your gardening practices to the seasons, you can maximize your yield and minimize expenses. Section 10. The gift of growth, reaping the rewards of your labor. One of the most rewarding aspects of gardening is harvesting your own food. There's nothing quite like the taste of a sun-ripened tomato or the crispness of a freshly picked cucumber. Growing your own food saves you money on groceries, and it's incredibly satisfying. Gardening also provides numerous health benefits. It's a great way to get exercise, relieve stress, and connect with nature. Plus, knowing where your food comes from gives you peace of mind. You can ensure it's grown without harmful pesticides or herbicides. Section 11. A garden for everyone, cultivating beauty no matter the budget. Creating a beautiful and bountiful garden doesn't require a large budget. With a little creativity and resourcefulness, anyone can transform their backyard into a thriving oasis. Embrace the joy of DIY projects, repurpose everyday items, and find joy in the simplicity of nature. Remember, gardening is a journey. It's about experimenting, learning, and growing alongside your plants. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn and improve. So go ahead, get your hands dirty, and experience the magic of gardening on a budget.